Hey guys, Sandy Jo here. I recently received the NARS Erdem collaboration and I could not wait to give it a whirl. So this is the final look. If you want to join me, keep watching. I'm going to do swatches of every single one of, I shouldn't even say swatches. I tried on every single one of the lipsticks. This one was my fave. And yeah, I go through doing this look. The eyebrows were done beforehand and they were hourglass in soft brunette. Love. And I did end up adding the second blush afterwards too, just for some more color. So this right now is a combination of, oh hey, you can see everything. This guy, which is, I don't even know what it's called. Loves Me, and then Loves Me Not. So there's that, and then the mascara that I used was It Cosmetics Superhero, which I just got. So without further ado, keep watching to get a little bit of this, and we'll see you on the other side. Makeup video numero un. I don't even know where I'm looking. Okay. So, I got the new NARS collection. It's called Strange Flowers. And I'm kind of a strange flower, so I feel like this was a match made in heaven. One of the things I'm really excited about is that this is a lip palette. I thought it was eyeshadow to begin with, and I was kind of like, ooh, maybe I can do a red shadow. But no, it's a lip product. So I think I'd like to play around with that. But hey, let's start with a more subtle eye look and then go nuts on the lips. And then maybe try a more nutso eye look. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Does anyone know what they're doing? I guess this is the point where I show you how to do something. I don't know if I would say I'm showing you how to do something as much as I'm just playing around with some makeup. And then we're going from there to see what happens. The first palette that I'm working with here is Fleur Fatale. Let us start with Belladonna, which is a matte brown color. that's that, guys. Pretty glam. I mean, in terms of, you know, my usual makeup, which is like, if I get my brows on, I'm doing great. Yeah. So thanks so much for joining me for my first beauty YouTube video. Hopefully we can do this again sometime. And if you want to see other, I mean, I don't know, I'm just gonna keep making videos, and if there's any specific things you want to see, leave me a comment and I'll see what I can do. So in the meantime, bye-bye. Welcome back. I'm like your drunk older sister. The joys of living downtown. Okay, even her out. Sorry. Is that how you're supposed to do it? Is there a proper way? If there is, let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna stop being weird. Get down to business, Sandy. Got lives to save here. Lipsticks to show and lives to save. Is this a good angle? So the next color we are going to try, and by we I mean me, and you're gonna watch, is Daydream. Just experimenting today. Might turn out, this might never see the light of day. It is unclear at this point.